Hey, how you doing? Can you hear me? All right, so you know that we will go to access training. So I'm taking it, both of you guys are in phase one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. All right. I swear I got the Verizon lied about my internet. All right, so you guys both have the Telegram downloaded?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
Group me downloaded as well.
Yeah.
All right. Are you in all of the Telegram channels?
I'm only in one of them.
Which one is that?
The elite fortune group, profit master.
All right, so that's our. Have you been looking in that?
Yeah, I've been looking at it every time he sent something.
All right, cool. So that is our expert trader for our group. Of course, he gives us.
Who is the expert trader?
Oh yeah, well. I have an expert trader.
Oh, this is something personally. Okay.
Yeah, he's actually for my group. So I mean, if you want to jump in it, he does give signals in there, but he might give maybe 2 signals a day or so. But he also has a paid signal group. If you would like paid signals, that's another option that you could choose if you'd like to get paid signals. So I'll put that group chat, that Telegram group in the chat box for you to join if you want. I just put another Telegram link in the chat. So if you guys use that link, that's actually Dr. Jules' link. So you get updates of information as far as I believe that the trade strategies and techniques webinars that they do come out on there. Copy this. All right, this one is our expert trader. His name is Jay. So if you do join that group, that's who you want.
J-A-K-E?
No, Jay. In the group me group, his name is Jay to God. All right. So we got the Telegram straight. Let's go down. Does everybody have their MetaTrader 4 set up?
Yes.
Yeah, what? No, I don't have that yet.
All right. Download this app, MetaTrader 4.
All right.
You can have
on my cell phone, right, or on the computer?
On your cell phone. I was just about to say you can have this on your cell phone or computer, depending on where you want to put trades in that. Me personally, I put all my trades in on my cell phone, but I might use the computer you know, to look through trades and whatnot. But when I actually go to put it in, I use my cell phone to do it.
Gotcha. So hold on real quick before you head on.
Mm-hmm.
So this IML universe is completely different than IML Academy.
Right. So IML Universe is just going to give you the structure and the layout of how to start learning. So it's going to, phase one, set you up with all the tools and get you registered in MetaTrader 4 with the brokers. It's going to walk you through all of that information. But when it starts talking about actual learning, it's really going to take you right back to IML Academy.
All right, got you. Yeah, because I started on IML Academy. I never.
Yeah, so did I. I didn't start with IML Universe. I'm on Basics 2 on the IML Academy.
And that's fine because IML, like I said, IML Universe is not going to do anything different for you in the aspect of, you know, teaching you anything. It's just a structure, honestly, to make sure that you're going from step A to step Z.
Got you.
But like I said, every time it's going to take you right back to IML Academy to learn. So, I mean, you guys just didn't go through this part of setting things up like the MetaTrader 4 and stuff like that.
Got you.
Well, I download the app on my phone.
All right, so that's why we're here today, getting all straight. All right, so once again, you could download the MetaTrader 4 on your cell phone or on your computer. I say do both, you know, just in case if you find out that you like using the computer better than the phone, you know, that I try them out both. You're gonna have a demo account, see which way you like, what works best for you.
Are you going to show us how to do a demo account today?
Yeah, I can. Setting up a demo account. That's what we're about to go through. All right, now.
Oh, wow, awesome.
Did you guys all download MetaTrader 4?
Yeah, I did on my phone.
All right, now let's open up MetaTrader 4.
All right.
Hit that setting in the top right-hand corner. I mean, the bottom. So like on my iPhone, my settings is
at the bottom corner.
Yeah, in the bottom corner. So click that. All right.
This is a demo account.
Mm-hmm.
Well, this says that the account was created. I don't understand. What's the password? I don't know. I didn't do that.
I mean, that's fine. It's a demo. We're not worried about it.
Okay, so I hit on settings. Now what?
All right, now tap new account.
New account. Okay.
Open personal demo account.
Okay.
All right, then you should open personal demo account.
It says Meta Quotes Demo.
Yep.
Click on that.
Yep. If you don't have that, click on open a personal demo account. And then it should say Meta Quotes Demo. That's what you want. All right. The information will come into there. Put your deposit amount, change your deposit amount to 3,000.
Deposit amount 3,000.
Leave the leverage the same.
No, I want you to make it. Well, yeah, it only lets you do 1 to 100. So we'll keep it at 1 to 100. That's right.
Nah, I got several different options.
It says the first one is 3,000 USD.
I see your other options. I mean, it don't go higher than 100. When we go live,
I got you.
We're gonna do a 1 to 200 per $1,000 in your account.
All right.
All right. Is everybody?
Put my email address in here.
I mean, you don't have to.
Okay, good.
All right. Go ahead and tap register, and it should go ahead and then hit done. It should open that account up for you. You know, you guys made me open my first demo account right now. Never had a demo account before.
Who, you?
Yeah.
You?
That's
Yeah.
wild.
Wow.
Yeah, this joint not opening though.
Yeah, I'm actually doing it with you, and it didn't open for me. Do I need to put my real number in? Let me see.
Yeah, I put my real cell phone number and my real email address, and now it's asking me for a login and investor. I don't know what that is.
Mine didn't even move from the information.
Oh, it
Oh,
says new demo account has been opened successfully. Okay, good.
Phelps, you really got to put in your phone number and your email address.
Nah, I did. I put my real info in.
I'm walking.
Oh, there
through.
we go. All right, it say login password. I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot this. Don't know if I need it.
Yeah, you probably will at some point.
All right.
Yeah, you will need it just in case if you put your if you go on with the
Computer.
with the account on your computer,
Yeah.
you would need this information to put it on your account on the computer. Or, you know, if you change cell phones or something like that, you're going to need that information because this, now granted, this is just a demo account. We can go open up more demo accounts, but it will be the same situation for when we go live.
All right.
All right. So is everybody good with that part so far? We all got our demo accounts?
Yes, thank you.
All right.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is where you want to start trading. So now if you hit the trade in the bottom right hand button, it should have your account right there, correct?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Wait. Yes, quotes, chart, trade, history settings. Yes, trade is at the bottom.
Yep. And if you click on it, it should take you to your account and say the balance.
Yes, $3,000.
All right, cool. Now, when we go live, we're going to use the same app, okay? And you're still going to have your demo account. But what you want to do, and granted, we don't have the live account set up yet, so I am talking a little in the future. You would still hit settings right there. And for me, let me see. All right, I'm going to hit the very top. It shows my account.
Yeah.
It pulls up all my other accounts. So you see those three triangles? Come on.
Oh,
right.
yeah, now I see them.
Yeah.
So those are my three accounts. Those are my three live accounts. But when you have multiple accounts, so you could have multiple accounts. So like one account is my high risk account. Like that's the one that I put stupid trades in. Another account I have as bills, and another account I have as tools. So I use only the tools in that account. So those are just strategies that I created. So I'm not mixing my trading styles up in accounts.
Okay, that's smart.
Yeah, it helps me to not blow through the money.
Right. Okay.
I know I'm on different strategies on different accounts, and whatever that strategy says, I'm done after that.
Okay.
All right. So we're all good with that part?
Yes.
Sir.
All right. Do you guys have swipe trades?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So did you download the app Swipe Trades?
Yes.
Nope.
Oh man, Sparks, you got to download that thing. Download that thing now.
You mean Phelps? I got you though.
I mean, I say I've been doing that ever since I knew.
All right, swipe trades. Boom.
All right, so when you log into Swipe Trades, it's just going to be your same IML information that you log into your back office with.
All right.
See, that's the first time you use that word back office. And so, but I think I was told what it is. But so is it synonymous with IML Universe?
No. Remember, IML Universe is strictly just a structure.
A structure.
Right?
And what's the back office?
That's your link, your
The meat.
Yeah, that's where everything is.
Okay.
So like
Gotcha.
this is my back office.
Yes, mine has that up there. Okay.
So remember, IML Universe has absolutely nothing to do with anything other than giving you a structured direction.
Okay, got it.
All right. Now, once you log into Swipe Trades, do you guys all know how Swipe Trades works? Do you know what you're looking at?
Copy and paste.
Not really.
Yeah, they say.
I mean, I know what it is, but I don't know what it is, honestly.
All right, let's walk through swipe trades real quick. Now, granted, they do have training on this, but I'm just going to give you a brief overview of how it works. All right, so all right, so swipe trades. When you open up swipe trades, you either have an option of swiping left or right. If you accept it, you want to swipe right. If you don't want to see it, you swipe left. So when you first get a trade, you want to look on the screen and see what it's telling you to do. So right now, it's telling me that Starboy, which is one of the expert traders, an hour ago, told me to delete this trade USD CAD. So if I want to accept it, I want to scroll through it. First, at the top, they're giving you the actual symbol, which is the trade that they want you to get in. So once again, this is the United States dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Then your time frame, that's a 4-hour chart that they're looking at. So that means every candle that forms on that chart takes 4 hours to make. The trade order type, usually this will be, it'll say like buy limit, sell limit, but right now it's saying delete because they want us to get rid of that trade. Entry price, I'll find you another one, but let's take this delete one, all right? So if we put in this trade, we can come down here and read, okay, under notes and comments, and they'll tell us exactly why they're telling us to delete it. All right, so then you would just go back to your app, delete that trade out. Hopefully it didn't execute, but you would delete the trade out and you would move on. So let's look at this. It's saying USD JPY. It hit take profit 2, which is over 65 pips. This came from Jay Adams, okay, 3 hours ago. We're going to swipe to the right. It tells us USD JPY on a 15-minute chart. Every candle's taking 15 minutes. It's just giving us an update, all right? Remember, it's going to also give you proper risk management. So whenever it tells you a trade to get into, it's going to tell you how to manage your money correctly when entering this trade. So it says 0.01 lot is 1% risk per $1,000. Now, if you guys want more than that, never, ever, ever go over 3% per trade. Like that is your max that you want to do. Now, at the end of the day, what do we say? You control your own trades. You can go higher than 3%. But I'm telling you, all right, to stay in this game and to become a smart investor, 3% max is what you want to do. Now, I'm telling you this, and I don't follow my own rules, but that's why I had to create a separate account for my crazy trading. Right?
Okay.
And that's the beauty of having those separate accounts. Like, I know making $20 ain't a big thing, but it really is a big thing. But everybody wants to try to get big, right? Do that in a separate account. Like, even if you have, let's say you have $500 that you want to, when you go to open up your live account, you only need to send the information in one time for them to register you and whatnot. But then you can open up as many live accounts as you want. It only takes 2 seconds. All right, so if you have 500, I would put 200 in my play account, and then the rest is like my real account that I'm really going to use proper risk management. All right. Any other questions about swipe trade?
All right, hold on real quick.
Mm-hmm.
So, never mind. I peeped it.
Go ahead.
Nah, I see what he said. I didn't look at the notes yet.
I was trying to find one that they just told us to put in, but I guess they don't have any.
So you said swipe right is you don't want it. Swipe left is you want.
No, swipe right, you ready to get into it. All right, so let's take this one. All right, I found one, EURAUD. It's coming on a 4-hour chart, and it's telling us sell by market. When it says sell by market, they want you to get in this trade right now. But it's also giving us the entry price of 1.59900. The price was probably, when they sent this out, price was probably right there at that point that they're telling you. anytime you see buy by market, sell by market, like they want you to get into the trade right now. But once again, you don't want to just dive into it. Cold 2:30. My bad. I'm just reading my calendar real quick. Something popped up. All right. You don't want to just dive into it. Okay. Whenever you get a slight trade and it does say sell by market, look at that entry price and go to your chart and see if price is near that entry price. Because let's say the sell by market, you might be 20 minutes late. Price could have took off down and you got in at the wrong time. So
Okay.
double check. Unless like the alert came and you were right there as soon as the alert came and you just hit sell by market then, and that's okay. But let's keep scrolling down. It's saying trade size. All right. Oh, before I get there, sometimes you're going to get a trade that it'll say like buy limit. Okay. When it says buy limit or buy stop, those are actual triggers that we're going to put in and wait for price to come to wherever that spot is. Okay. So sometimes they'll give you an entry 1 price and an entry 2 price. There's 2 ways that you can do this. You could take one trade and you can choose one of those entry prices. So really what it is they're giving you a zone, because support and resistance isn't one line, it's really a zone. So they're giving you 2 opportunities of where you can enter in it. So one thing that you can do is say, hey, I want to wait till entry 2, because entry 2 is usually like, all right, this is like the last piece, like the last moment, get in. That's max pips if you get in at entry 2, right? But sometimes the trade doesn't get up to entry 2. It'll drop before it gets to entry 2 and you'll miss out. So you can have that option to wait for entry 2. You could put in on entry 1, or you can do what I do a lot of times is I put in 2 trades. So let's say I wanted to trade $1 per pip. Right? I'll do 2.05 trades, 2 50-cent trades. I'll put one in at entry price 1 and the other in at entry price 2.
Wow.
And price starts working the way that I want it to go. What I'll do is the entry price 2 one should be in more of a profit than entry price 1. What I'll do is move my stop loss from entry price 2 to my entry point of entry price 1. Why? Because now I'm in nothing but profit now. So like I can go to sleep happy because I know like worst case scenario, like I break even, or that's what you want to shoot for when you get into trading. Like,
I got you.
You want to get a stop profit, not a stop loss. Once you can get, if you're up 50 pips, you move that stop loss to like 5 pips or something like that. So now you can sleep good. You can sleep better. At least you know you're going to gain 5 pips, worst case scenario. So that's the option that you want to go with there. They're going to give you a stop loss. Remember, so with this one, they're saying 0.03 lot size is a 1% risk per $1,000. So if you wanted to do a 3%, we'd take this up to 0.09. That'll put us at 3%. But you don't want to go over that 3%. I can't stress that enough. All right. Stop loss. It's going to tell you the exact stop loss you put in. Now take profits 1, 2, and 3. What I like to do with these, now granted, I always tell people if you want to secure the money, go with take profit 1 while you're at work or something and just let it happen, right? But let's say you choose take profit 1. You come down and you happen to open your phone and you see it's like 5, 10 pips away from take profit 1. What I would do, me personally, is move my take profit to take profit 2 now. All right, because I want it to break through take profit 1, but then I move my stop loss after it gets comfortably past take profit 1. I'm going to move my stop loss to take profit 1, which is my stop profit. So now it's like, no matter what, at least I get my take profit 1 money. So that's why it's good to trade in a demo and practice these strategies so you can get comfortable with what's going on. All right. They're also, when they go down to the notes, they're going to tell you, like, really type it out exactly why they got into it. Another thing that I did that taught me how to become a trader really well is to click up here on this left-hand side because they give you the chart too of why they chose that trade. So now you can actually go back to your own charts, remark this up, and see it on a bigger view. And now that's how I'm like, all right, is this a precise trade? Is this a trade I really want to get into? I draw this stuff up myself and see if I can see what they see. And that's what's going to help you become excel in this. Use the tools to alert you to trade, and then you use your training to perfect the trade. All right?
Say that again. Use your what to what?
Use your tools to alert you to trades.
Okay.
And then you use your training to perfect it.
To perfect my trade.
Correct.
Okay.
Because if you don't use the tools, you'll just be scanning the market. And let's keep it honest, me, you, everybody on here, we ain't professionals. So it's no need for us to try to sit here and scan this market. Like, it's just pointless. All right. Now, so we're all good with swipe trades?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm good with it.
Now, setting up your corporate app. All right. Everybody make sure you go to the Apple Store. Now, you're really going to have to click this link. So I'm going to put this in the group chat. Apple is a little funky. All right. So that link will actually take you to the app store for Apple. If you got Android, it's usually a little cleaner. I'll put the Android link in here as well. Cleaner as far as downloading.
Are you trying to give us the app for iMarkets Live TV or just iMarkets Live?
This is iMarkets Live at your back office.
Oh, so
Okay, it gave me a message.
Say that again.
It gave me a message when I clicked on the link.
Did it download the app?
No, it says ad hoc installation, iMarkets Live. Please visit the link in iOS device. Oh, I have to do it from my phone then.
Yeah, you definitely got to do it from your phone.
I thought I could do it from the, wait a minute, don't make fun of me. I thought I could do it from right here.
No, this is an app that's going to go on your phone. So,
okay.
So like iMarkets Live biggest thing is that you could do everything from your cell phone. So
Okay, so I have the iMarkets Live app. Which one is this? Is called just
no,
this
is the corporate app. It's going to look like this.
What do I type in on my apps to get it?
Well, if you you're not on your phone, type in this link.
On the internet on my phone. Okay. All right, let me see.
You have an Apple?
Yes.
Yeah. Use this link right here. Type that in. Should take you to it.
Okay. IML.
Now, Apple's a little different. So when you download this app, there's some things that you got to do in order to get it working. You got a iPhone, Phelps?
Yeah.
All right. Was you able to download it?
Hold on, I'm typing that joint in now.
All right.
Okay. It took me to. APP. This is not working.
Yeah, my joint download now.
All right.
What did you do? Did you put in the whole address he gave? Or you just put in IML app _ Apple?
No, I had to put the whole
Oh, do you have an Apple or Android?
I got an Apple.
Okay, so you put the whole thing in. Okay.
Like CCP and all that.
Okay, so it's very, simple. I should have just followed his directions.
I see what you're talking. So I'm assuming this is what you're talking about when you try to open it.
Yeah. So now, once you get it installed, you need to go to your settings, go to General, and then go to Device Management.
All right.
All right. Now, look for that app. Do you see it?
All I see. So is it Business Apps Inc.?
I believe so. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, then hit trust.
All right.
All right, so once you hit trust, the app should be good to go. And
Yeah, we did.
yeah,
My dog, what's up with you?
what's going on, Dante? How you?
Cooling dogs, Friday.
Yeah, I'm helping new members get set up.
I gotta open up his ass. I went down twice a week.
Yeah, I figured I'm probably gonna have to do this too. Mhm.
I made a whole schedule, bro. You might as well help some traders out, keep everything organized. I got a whole thing like printed out, and it's on. Like I made a Facebook just for my team, and then all my traders go live.
Can you tell me how to do it? Go into settings and do what?
Go to settings, go to general.
Settings, general, uh-huh.
You gotta scroll down to like device management.
Yeah.
Yes, got it.
And then you're gonna see it should say like business something.
Want us to do?
Yeah, I see it.
You
So,
click that and then hit trust.
trust.
Yeah, I'm supposed to
Awesome. Thank you.
No problem.
like all day. I'm going 12 hours straight for every hour.
Do you want us to open the app now?
No, I just wanted you to make sure that you got it and download it. I mean, you can open it up if you want to, but I just wanted to make sure you had that app.
Okay, great. Thank you. I have it.
Let me hit
So
you.
wait.
What does it do?
Well, this is your entire back office.
Oh, this app. This app we just downloaded.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so I could do my trainings now on
Do
the
whatever
go.
you want.
Oh, wow. Wait a minute. Okay, so resources. Oh, where's IML Academy? I don't even see it.
Are you logged in?
Yeah, I downloaded the app.
Right.
You gotta
But
log
wait.
in now.
Oh, yeah, it
Hit
didn't ask me to
office
create.
and log in.
It didn't ask me to create a profile. Oh, there it is. Profile name.
Yeah, they're trying.
You
Once you
have to
log in, it's there.
click on office and it'll ask you to log in.
Okay. Gosh, really? I gotta create a profile.
Yeah, everything will be right there under office. You get all your information as far as training, IML Academy, all that.
What's the difference between? I'm assuming it's the same thing. Swipe trades and daily swing trades. That's two different things.
Yeah, so Swing Trades is the owner of the company, Christopher Terry. He releases videos. So once you go through IML Academy, it'll teach you what swing trades are.
Gotcha.
But swing trades are long-term trades. You're looking to stay in those for about a week or two.
How often do you typically use that?
I use it a lot. I do have trades that I set in that they go in for about a week. I got about 8 trades right now, and I'm not going to worry about closing until probably next Wednesday, and I don't even want to look at it.
So how do you go about managing the differences? Oh, because you have the different accounts.
Right.
I love that idea. I'm so gonna use that. Okay, now what should I do? I set up my profile.
Did you click office and all your stuff came up?
Oh yeah, that's a good point. File direction, Cherie. Let's see.
Damn, why does shit keep loading?
Oh, it's asking me my name.
Yeah, that's what I said. If you click office, it should just be asking you for all you have to do is just click office and it'll ask for your login information. You log in and your whole back office.
Oh, that's what you were saying. Oh, okay. What is my password? Because I tell it to remember me, so I don't have to remember it. Oh, great. I have no idea what my password is. Oh, yeah. Okay.
It's the same. Yeah. I get it. All right, so we all good?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to phase 2.
Yes, I'm in my back office. I'm in.
Good. Hey, what's going on, bro? Not much. What's going on? A word? Yeah. Let me call you back in about 10 minutes because I'm on a trainer right now. All right. Cool. Okay. All right. So remember how I said IML Academy is just going to give you the structure of what to do. All right. So now that we set those apps up, we're going to actually get into the trading portion. All right. Everybody should keep a journal of their trades so you can see what's going on. You really just want to like know how many times you won, how many times you lost. You know, keep track of that because eventually you're gonna figure out like you only like certain pairs, you only like trading at this time, this is when you get success. But if you don't write this down, you won't be able to see it. So you'll still be trading blindly. If you want to get in the habit of being able to see exactly what's working in the trades. All right. So now once we go through here, as you can see, phase two is just telling you, hey, watch the basics 1 through 4, which that's what we tell everybody. All right.
Right. Okay.
All right, then. So we're going to scroll past that. All right. Now it's going to talk to you about IML TV. Does everybody know how to access IML TV?
That's on the back office, right?
It's in the back office, right here, IML TV. Okay.
I have an app though. It says
There's an IML TV app too, iMarkets Live TV.
yeah, iMarkets Live TV.
So you can use either one of those. You can use the corporate app. You can download iMarkets Live TV. Either one is fine. What you want to do, all right, if you miss a session, you can always come right here. And those are the recordings. The last 5 are going to stay up. All right. But what you really want to do, and this is what I did, is click the live trading on that. All right. No matter which one, I got both of them programmed in. Okay. English, you want to click on that. And this is exactly what I did to become an expert trader. I literally took 10 minutes out of my time and put down every one of these events in my cell phone in my calendar. Every event, every time it goes off. So now I have it set as an alert. And if I'm not doing anything and this thing goes off, I come watch their show. All right. Now, granted, I don't have like the Forex basics on.
Okay, but when you started, you did.
Oh, yeah, I had all of it.
Okay.
Forex 101, definitely.
So why you take just 10 minutes? Why don't so you can capture what they're saying in 10 minutes, although it's an hour?
Nah, he was saying
I
10
said I
minutes.
just took 10 minutes out of my time to put this on my phone.
Oh, okay, to put this in my phone. Okay, I can do that.
So you put this in your phone whenever the alert goes off and you're not doing anything, tune in 10 pips and dip with Dr. Kathy. Or, oh no, this is Kamuchu. All right, I like Dr. Kathy. I guess she not on here.
She is right. Oh, she was on the
You would just
left-hand side. Although it said Kamuchu, she was on the left-hand side where you were.
Oh, yeah, it said, okay, I was just reading. Yeah, this is Dr. Kathy. So I like her 10 pips and dip strategy. But those are options. Also, you want to put this one in your phone. Now, granted, crypto moves a lot faster than Forex. But if you're going to do crypto, program this into your phone too. Because you need to get educated on crypto.
Yeah, I bang with crypto though.
So definitely make sure you're watching crypto. Get all the information that you can.
And you just literally, those are live links that you click to actually watch your joint.
Yep. So what you'll do, let's say it goes off, and what is today? Wednesday. Is it 6:40?
So that crypto 101 should be coming up.
Crypto 101, 7 p.m. Eastern. Yep. All right. So matter of fact, his might still be going on. Let's see. Which one is this? Luke Longwire. You will come look for Luke Longwire. All right, and click. You see, people are chatting over here. He's actually still on. You see, log
Oh,
in.
wow. Okay.
You're right there live with the expert trader. He's telling you exactly what it is that he's doing.
Oh, this is they give you all the tools.
All the tools. There's no excuses. The only excuse that you
Yeah,
can get it is yourself.
that's
Yeah.
the truth. I haven't been putting as much time as I should, but
All right, so we got that part.
yes.
All right, yeah, these are just all of the traders.
How often do you trade crypto?
I dabble in it every now and then. I mean, crypto, I've won like 5,000 in one day, but I've also lost 10.
You've do you still hold on to any type of crypto, the Bitcoin?
No, no, don't even.
You said
Um,
what?
don't even. This ain't crypto. Ain't like forex, right? Like, because
No,
crypto.
no, I was asking on the side per se. Because I know you were talking about it before, so I don't know if you still was into the Bitcoin situation.
Oh, don't get me wrong. Oh, you mean do I actually hold and buy like the
Yeah,
Bitcoin?
yeah. Do you hold some?
I sold it all, man. Probably right when we got to, I seen it coming down to 7,000. I think I got out of everything that I had at 9,000. But I mean, I got in my highest Bitcoin that I purchased was like 6,000. So it was good while it lasted, but I won't buy any more.
You never?
Nah, not right now. I need. It's just I can't get a feel of the market, like where it's going to sit around. Like it moves so quick,
Yeah, it's mad volatile.
crazy. All right, so of course, once you get through that, it's telling you to start practicing in your demo, which I agree. Like you should be putting trades into your demo. You should definitely be inviting people to webinars to try to get your tour free. It's a simple invite, don't take too long. All right, now granted, they say that this stuff should take 2 to 3 months. I disagree. I think it should take 2 to 3 days, but everybody moves differently. Um, Even in IML TV, they're going to give you things to watch, like the harmonic scanner, the web analyzer, to actually teach you how to work with those better. So, you definitely want to jump on those to learn how to use the tool. Let's get to phase 3. All right, phase 3 should. So these are just going to go through the tools, which once again, it's actually not going to do anything but take you back to IML Academy. They have the harmonic scanner section and things like that. If you do want to really dive into the web analyzer, all right, they do have the IML TV for that, but get in here, log in.
So that's another question I had. I asked it to the group. I want to get your thoughts. I'm assuming you're using yours under a LLC.
Yeah.
Is that strictly for tax purposes and personal liability?
Well, I don't care about the personal liability, but the tax,
Gotcha.
damn sure for the tax.
Oh, this is TradingView.
It is TradingView, so the web analyzer operates in the TradingView platform. But of course,
Oh, that's live. Okay.
you have to log in to the web analyzer in order to get access to it.
Yeah,
So
I'm about to delete it. I actually have TradingView.
no, don't delete it.
No,
Um,
I'm saying I'm about to delete my subscription to TradingView.
oh yeah, I wouldn't pay for a TradingView subscription until you get nice. You really don't.
Okay, I missed that. So you don't pay for what?
No, it's something different. So the platform that you see right here with all the candlesticks, it's
Yeah.
operating. There's a website called TradingView, and
Oh, okay.
that's what it's operating under right here.
Okay.
All right. So when you come here, of course, it's going to tell you the trades that it's looking at right here. There's some studying. Like I wouldn't tell you to just jump into this yet and just trade away. Yes, it can make you some money, but you really need to know how to use it. So what I would do is click this button right here, all right, on the side, and they're actually going to be discussing a bunch of stuff that's going on with the web analyzer. All right, so you can read chats of what's going on, and also you could click right on here. All right, so any trading, any one of these right here, just click on it. All right, it's going to pull this up, and it's going to give you videos for the different trading strategies. All right, so there's like the sheriff trading strategy, there's the RSI trading strategies, all strategies to use with this, but you really need to watch over the videos to once again figure out what type of trading strategy works for you. And it's a lot of them. So I mean, take the time and go through them. It's gonna be worth it. All right.
Do you find yourself using the web analyzer more than the harmonic scanner?
Oh, me personally, I like the harmonic scanner more. The web analyzer to me is for a person that, a lot of people go to work that use the web analyzer, right? So they might jump up at, if they regularly wake up at 8, they might start waking up at 7, and they'll do an hour on the web analyzer, an hour and a half on the web analyzer, because the majority of those trades are in and out trades, like 30 minutes, hour. Because if we go to look at it, so I'm looking at it right now. You see, it's saying this trade right here, GBP USD, it's a 5-minute chart, which means that every candle that's forming right here took 5 minutes to form. So it's telling me to put a sale in, which looks kind of good to put this sale in. Sheesh. Put this sale in right. You know what? I am. My bad. Hold on. Give me a second, guys.
Now, you just analyze that because of a pattern, I'm assuming?
Well, actually, I just scrolled out really quick and I see support and resistance hit numerous times right here. And as you can see, it's right there at this manageable. It looked like it hit multiple times right here. Now, granted, what you really should do is go back out 30 minutes. All right. I'm looking here. See where this line is? See how many times price came up to right there?
Yeah.
It was a ceiling at one point, but now it looks like a ceiling still. It could close to a floor, but I want to get into this right now. The GBP USD.
So you want to get in at 1.40858?
You really need to analyze it. So I don't want to say like that's where it's advising you to get in at, but I've just been doing this for a while, so I know I just made that look real simple. But
You did.
once you get into it, you're gonna understand. Like I can just look back and look at this stuff. Like when you go to your different time frame charts, and even on an hour, like it's still a support and resistance mark on an hour. And if I'm looking at it, it went on an uptrend and then it started as down. So this looks like a little mini pullback that could be going on and then drop after that. But you're never for sure what's going to go on. You just want to make sure that you're putting yourself in the best probability. So my stop loss is probably going to be about right here. And I can
141203.
We're talking about, I'm going to risk 20 pips, all right, to gain 64.
And the pip is $1. or 1%?
No. A pip is that's what we're trying to gain to trade. So how I say that I'm gonna risk 20 pips. All right. Now I put my trade size on it. So let's say if I'm doing 10 cent per pip, 20 pips, so is that 20 cent? $2, you're right. All right. So yeah, that'll be $2 that I would lose. But if it comes this way and I get my 64 pips, then I do 260, 26, that's what, 1240 that I would gain. So, I would be losing to whatever if it went bad. If
That's 1,200.
Huh?
1,200, right?
No.
No, that's how much you would win. How much you would gain?
No,
And
$12.
pips. Oh, $12.
Yeah, I'm only doing 20 cent per pip. Well, me personally, I put 80 cent in, but I'm just saying if you put 20 cent in right there, if it went the wrong way, you will be out. Now, granted, these are my marks, so they not that don't mean that you're going to put the same stop loss, the same take profit. You could be sitting here and watching it. Like I don't even have a trigger in it. You guys just see me put the trade in and go on about my day. I don't have triggers in place. That's me. That's how I like to trade. I don't advise everybody.
Okay.
Do figure out what it is that you do.
Okay.
And that's why you need that demo account. The demo is going to help you to learn what type of trader it is that you want to be. All right.
You don't ever use those other indicators?
Down here, these?
Yeah, RSI, MACD stuff.
Oh, absolutely. So really, when I come here, I look for the time and tell me 2240. I scroll and I would look at the bottom. So I would look at the bottom, 2240, right? So I'll get to 2240. Let me draw the line. I will come here. I would do a vertical line, and I would say, all right, where's 2240? 2240 is when they called it. All right, I'm gonna do that. And come back here, and guess what? I'm just gonna mark my lines up. All right, there. Now I'm doing this because I want to see what's going on, even on my indicators. All right. Now I did that on a 1 minute chart. So now when I go up to 30 minutes, I can see exactly, is it still happening? Look, on 30 minutes, it looked like it's about to cross on the RSI and go back down. If I go look on the 1 hour, it looked like it's about to cross on the 1 hour too and go back down. So it looked like it sell to me, and this is just options. I mean on the stochastic, not the RSI, on the stochastic.
So I guess
stochastic.
that's the thing I need to get educated on, as far as like when y'all say this looks like a sell. I don't get that part.
You just gotta watch the videos. That's the only
yeah, I'm gonna get into it.
Once you watch the videos, you understand what's going on.
I got you.
Okay.
And what was that cha-ching? What was that about? What was that?
That was the sound for the harmonic scanner letting you know it's a new trade. Not the harmonic scanner, the web analyzer letting you know it's a new trade in place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, because 2255 now. All right.
Yeah, so it's EUR USD now. It's telling us on a 5 minute chart. All right, see, all of these are in and out trades. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. 1 hour. Every now and then you'll get a 1 hour chart.
What does that green one mean?
Buy. Red is sell, green is buy.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I definitely just need to get hip to the lingo.
All right, yeah, just keep watching those videos. Hey, what's going on, Sean? We'll get the presentation started in a second for you. Keep watching those videos so it can teach you exactly what's going on here. If the web analyzer is going to be your baby that you're going to use, definitely you want to start watching the videos on the web analyzer. Also, you guys want to make sure you're in this group on Facebook, members only.
That's the one you sent, right?
Oh, I believe so, yeah.
Wait, I don't think that's it.
And the reason why I say you want to be on members only is because this is where they post a lot of the trainings that other people are doing. So, you could see, IML new student prep, the harmonic scanner. There's options for you to watch other professionals like Lee Allen. She's been killing it too. You definitely should try to get on a Lee Allen webinar. She's been killing it with the web analyzer.
All right, I got you.
But everything will be here, options for you to watch other people's strategies that are, doing big things with this. You see Dr. Kathy, definitely on there, follow her. But these are giving you options to find out more information from more people.
All right, I got you.
All right.
Okay.
I appreciate that, good man.
All right, I gotta get ready for this webinar. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Just put them in